Coinbase goes all in for C Network coin. Even at the time of recording this, it's not yet. You can buy C Network on Coinbase, but with the next few hours or few days, this coin will be listed on Coinbase. Coinbase are fully going all in for this coin. I mean, Binance have already listed the coin. So many exchanges. Few of the top exchanges, because it was just launched few hours. But Coinbase also has said to add this coin to the database. Coinbase has said to list C Network. Now, I'm expecting more rise once Coinbase are concluded with the listing of C Network, and also once other crypto exchanges, other top crypto exchanges, because not just Coinbase, many other exchanges are also working right now as I'm talking to you, trying to list this coin, trying to bring C Network, because the coin is hot. Over $350 million has been traded on this coin in just 4 hours. So it's amazing. In fact, the first 1 hour over 150 million, and the first 2 hours over 250 million, and the first 3 hours over 300 million, and the first 5 hours over $350 million. Who doesn't want such? Who doesn't want to list such coin? Definitely most exchanges will be going for it. Most exchanges will definitely want to list this, because this is what they are there for. They are there for business. So for me, it's perfectly to see that Coinbase will soon add this coin to their coins that they have, and I'm happy because I'm expecting more rise. And by the time other exchanges will start coming in, and many people are not even online. Many people don't even know what is going on. Some people are still at place of work. People don't even know what is going on right now. But I believe from today, the next 3 days, you will see how the market cap of this coin is going to rise. Except people that must have earned, who started from when it was hitting 100%, 20% rise. You know, once that someone must have earned over 2,000% of his or her investment, will definitely want to pull out some of the profit, because anything can happen. Just like Apecoin that hit over almost $39, then start dropping. You know, most coins, once they are launched, you will see them pumping massively within the first 1, 2, or 3 days or first month. After that, most of things start dropping. So people have already understand how it works. So don't be surprised to see the market cap drop, but that doesn't mean the coin will not rise again. It might still hit and rise, or it might continue rising up till it gets to $2, $3, or $5. Anything can happen. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.